If you want to turn off two-factor authentication on Cash App, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the app settings to disable this security feature. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Scroll down and look for the privacy and security section. Tap on it to find the security options available for your account. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to turn it off. Select this option to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to turn off two-factor authentication. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the changes. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Cash App account. Remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your transactions regularly.